Hope you remember earlier I was harvesting tomatoes. Now that harvest is over, and recently it rained here in Bangalore, and you can see there is a new sprout of this turmeric plant. I decided to take away this old turmeric root so that I can harvest if at all, if anything there, and then I can replant. So meanwhile today I got some vegetables, and you can see there I found that there is a small sprout in this ginger. I can do one thing, I can even cut this and then I can plant it so that perhaps it can grow. See, I don't much use anything out of my pot frequently, but if I need anything for emergency, sometimes I do tend to use them instead of going to a store and buying it. Or if we cook any dinner in the night and suddenly we need something, then we can use something out of this pot. So let me wait. This thing we planted around a couple of years back, and last year in the winter sometime we have harvested also. So I'm not sure how big is the thing inside. I need to see. I don't do any active farming. I just do something once in a while like this. So I don't have any farming implements either. There's also an issue, as you can see, it is growing in this corner. I want to bring this somewhere middle of the pot, and hopefully even the ginger plant somewhere I need to place in its vicinity. Oh my gosh, this is huge. This is huge. Yeah, I think this the new one. I need to plant somewhere in the middle, and I think when I lifted it got cut. I think it is somewhere attached to this.
Oh my God, shoulder?
Yeah, it's huge. It is. See, we can cut it here, and then we can plant this one, and we can completely remove this part. And even this one we can plant if we want. I think here I can break. See? These two we can use, and there is a new one here. We can use that, or even here couple of them. One, two. Yeah. It is nice. It is nice and fresh. See, we can cut this into sections. This we can use, and we can replant this, and this one we can again use. This we can use it for cooking. See, if we need, we can plant these also, but we don't want so much. This entire thing we can use, but this one again we can plant. This one we can again use for cooking. This we can use it for cooking. This maybe we can use it for planting. Okay, it's done. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. Just old roof. Put that. Yes, we can little bit dig this side.
center about
Yeah. I need to see if any old tomato roots are there, plant roots are there, we can take it out. Yep. Yes. Center we can put because it can grow evenly. Now it is all crammed up in one side. This and this. So 3 plants enough.
the rest we can harvest.
Yes. I put it here. One over here. One over here. And this side. Yes. Again, once it starts raining, it will grow, and turmeric has very good anti-viral properties. It is also good for the COVID to an extent because it will also boost your immunity. Okay, yes, this is done, and I can take this ginger somehow, and we can use this for cooking, and we can use this for growing this plant.
13.
This end we can pick because ginger often we may take it out, unlike turmeric. Somewhere here we can plant. Okay, done. Yep, this is the harvest. This is quite nice if you can use it for marination of chicken or something like that. It will be very delicious rather than using turmeric powder. So you can use it for fish fry or even curries. You can use it for curries. And usually this is what women use it on their face. This is more useful or suited for that because this will contain concentrated turmeric, rather than these other parts of the turmeric plant. Okay, so this is the harvest. This is there for more than 2 years, I think. It's high time you just take it out. Okay. So I just need this one for cooking a dish for the lunch. I don't need this much. Perhaps I just need this portion. You can peel just like ginger. You can peel this way, and it should have much richer in color. You can see. Unlike ginger, this will be much yellowish orange in color. You can see there. And it smells great, and unlike the powdered turmeric, this is going to give an extra flavor because it is lot fresher. The powder is usually they may boil this thing and then they dehydrate and they dry it under the sun, and after that they make a powder out of the dehydrated turmeric roots. Yep, as you can see here, it is much richer in color. It looks like some sort of papaya like color. Yes, you can just peel this thing and then we can wash, and then you can chop into small bits or you can crush into a paste. You can mainly use this thing as a marinade for non-vegetarian dishes. Okay, you can marinate chicken, meat, fish with turmeric paste, if needed, maybe perhaps with ginger paste and things like that. See, you can see there, and it stains the hands, unlike ginger, but it exactly feels as if you are holding a ginger with your hand. See, when you snap, inside it will have some type of colored bands. You can see there. It's much yellowish orange color than a ginger plant.